I used to think I didn't like Manhattans. I thought they were pretentious and snooty, and if I'm being honest, I thought they were girly. Then I realized I was actually thinking of a cosmopolitan. Turns out I love Manhattans. Okay, so now that we have determined that a Cosmo is not a Manhattan and that they in fact are quite different, let's make one. And I love this cocktail because A, it's very simple, but it's elegant. It's like the Don Draper of cocktails, okay? And here's another thing. Speaking of Don Draper, who has great hair, let's just put it out there, okay? Let's just talk about that elephant in the room. I got my hair cut. Shorter than I thought it was gonna be. I'll say it. It's my COVID cut. I just got out of hand, and then I had my sister kind of cut it with some clippers. She's married to a guy in the Navy, or used to be in the Navy. Looks like I'm shipping out. Anyway, there, we've said it. We're done with it. Hopefully a Manhattan will clean this up. Manhattan, very simple cocktail, right? Starts with bourbon. Easy enough, right? Second thing, sweet vermouth. Not dry vermouth, sweet vermouth, very important. And then it's garnished with a Maraschino Cherry. Obviously, I like the Luxardo brand. That's it. Bing, bang, boom. 3 ingredients. Couldn't be easier. Let's get to it. Okay. We're gonna do some fun stuff with this. First, some ice. Okay. Plenty of ice. If you have a mixing glass, this is the time to use it. I don't have a mixing glass. I have an old flower vase. It'll still work though. I know what I need to do. I should have checked to see if I had martini glasses. Hold on. Buried in the back. I don't know if you can see this. It is really dusty. So we're gonna clean that out. This really is one of those cocktails that you kind of want to serve up. So we'll clean this. This seems a little bit cleaner. Now we'll chill the glass. We'll leave that there so the glass can chill. Now we've got our mixing glass. I'm not usually a guy, as we know, that's like super precise about the measurements, but this one, you essentially want 2 parts, there it is, 2 parts bourbon to 1 part sweet vermouth. So I want to try and be as close to that ratio as possible. So 1, 2, and then a little bit of vermouth, sweet vermouth, not dry vermouth. Put that in there, and then stir. Now, I once had a bartender tell me that you should only stir a Manhattan, because if you shake it, you're gonna bruise the alcohol. Bruise the alcohol? It's not a goddamn banana. You can't bruise alcohol, or maybe you can. I don't know. I didn't go to bartending school. You don't have to stir it. You can shake it. You can put it on the laundry during the spin cycle. I don't care. Just mix it up. Of course, I mean, joke's on me. Here I am mixing it and not shaking it because the bartender told me. Anyway, I give it a good shake like this. Or I mean, stir, don't shake it. That was the whole point of my story. So that's sufficiently stirred, glass sufficiently chilled, then a little strainer, and right into the cocktail glass. Look at that. I'm gonna be honest with you. I see some little floaty things in my cocktail. I'm not sure if that's from the vermouth or not. Certainly looks like it. I don't know how old this bottle is. It's fine, right? Of course it's fine. Good news, everybody. Drinking old vermouth is not going to kill you, but it is essentially a fortified wine and therefore should be stored in the fridge after opening, which is exactly where my new bottle is now. Okay, back to your regularly scheduled cocktail. All right, so then 1 cherry. Boop. That is a Manhattan. with some floaty things in it. We'll see how it tastes. It's fine, even with the floaty things. In fact, it's better than fine. It's sophisticated. It's Don Draper. It's delicious. I think I got a floaty thing though. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Maybe make sure your vermouth, your sweet vermouth, is fresher than mine, but that is still a damn good cocktail that I will stand by. Little floaty bits of whatever aside. All right, thanks. COVID Cocktails. See you next time. Cheers.
Make sure to ring that notification bell and smash that like button. See you next time.
What he said.